Welcome to Appliance Codes. Today, we'll guide you through troubleshooting and repairing the E2 error code on your Whirlpool Duet dryer. If your dryer has been giving you trouble, stick around, and we'll help you get it back in working order. The E2 error code on a Whirlpool Duet dryer indicates a problem with the thermistor. The thermistor is a small but essential component that monitors the temperature inside your dryer. When the thermistor shorts out, it can cause your dryer to stop working correctly, leading to the E2 error code. Before starting any repairs, always prioritize safety. Make sure to turn off the gas supply to the dryer, if applicable, and disconnect the electrical power. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical shocks or injuries during the repair process. To access the thermistor, first open the dryer door and remove the lint filter screen. Next, remove the screws from the toe panel and gently pull it out. Then remove the screws from the lint duct. Then remove the retainer clip and pull the lint duct off. Now that the thermistor is accessible, disconnect the two wires from the thermistor terminals and remove the screws securing the thermistor. Carefully take out the thermistor and use a multimeter to test its resistance. Take a look at the chart displayed on the screen. Compare the readings from your multimeter with the values in this chart to determine if the thermistor is functioning properly. If the thermistor is functioning correctly, inspect the wiring leading to the thermistor and the control board. Look for any visible damage or loose connections and test the continuity of the wires with your multimeter to ensure they're in good condition. If you've determined that the thermistor is faulty, it's time to replace it. You can purchase a new thermistor directly from our website. Just check the video description for the link. Once you have your new thermistor, secure it in place with screws, reconnect the wires and reassemble the lint duct, bracket, and toe panel. Make sure everything is tightly secured and properly connected. Once the repair is complete, reconnect the dryer to its power source and turn on the gas if needed. Start a drying cycle and observe the dryer's operation for a few minutes to ensure it heats up correctly and the E2 error code does not reappear. Congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Whirlpool Duet dryer. If you find that the E2 error code persists, or if you suspect an issue with the control board, don't hesitate to reach out for more help. For more detailed guides and support, visit us at appliancecodes.com. Our team is always here to help with your appliance repair needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, Appliance Codes, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more repair tutorials.